The ZL extension identifies a zlib compress file containing data compressed using the Zlib DEFLATE algorithm. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you decompress or convert these compressed data files. I call this the last resort solution for those ZL files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. ZL files contain data compressed using the Zlib compression library, which implements the DEFLATE algorithm. They store single compressed data streams commonly used in software applications, network protocols, and game data for efficient storage and transmission. Zlib ZL files use the RFC 1950 Zlib wrapper format with a 2-byte header containing compression method and flags, followed by DEFLATE compressed data and an Adler32 checksum footer. They do not include filename metadata or directory structures like zip archives. When viewing the file metadata, the ZL shows a direct link to Zlib from Jean-Louis Gailly and Mark Adler. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows may reveal the archive header, but unpacking relies on third-party tools. To unlock the data, right-click the ZL file and select Open With. Test Zlib if available. If it's absent, choose another program. We must determine which app can properly read the header. If your ZL file will not open, do not worry. We're dealing with a highly specific ZL file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, decompressing the file. Use Python to decompress ZL files by running import zlib, then data, checksum.decompress, open, file.zl, rb, read, then writing the result to a file. The 7-zip command line tool may also support raw zlib decompression for some file variants. Next, using command line tools. On Linux, use this pipe utility or Python one-liner Python 3, c, import zlib, ss.sys buffer, write, zlib.decompress, open, sys dre, rb byte read. FileZL output to decompress zlib data. On Windows, use a Python script or specialized decompression tools. Finally, identifying content. After decompression, inspect the output to determine the original data format. Use a hex editor or the file command on Linux to identify the decompressed content type. The data may be XML binary game data, image data, or any format the original application used. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.